Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and today's video is going to be on this soft glam makeup, perfect for the holidays or family gatherings when you want to get glam but don't want to look like you're wearing too much makeup. This video is in partnership with KAJA for their holiday gift sets, so if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Starting with my favorite eyebrow pencil, I'm filling in my brows. This is the Cosmetics Fine Liner Brow Pencil in Deep Taupe, which is a perfect cool toned brown. Next, I'm going to prep my eyes for eyeshadow. Using the KAJA Beauty Bento in Chocolate Dahlia, I'm taking this neutral brown shade and sweeping that all over my eyelid. I want today's makeup to be super blended with no harsh lines whatsoever, so I'm going to create a pseudo wing with a dark brown eyeshadow. Next, I'm using a deep brown eyeliner on the outer edge of my eyes. Going back into the dark brown eyeshadow, I'm blending the eyeliner into the eyeshadow. I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara. Next, we're gonna add some sparkle. I'm using the Orange Blossom Beauty Bento from the KAJA Lookin' Like a Snack holiday set of full-size KAJA favorites in a gradient to create a smooth transition from the dark brown shadow into a highlighted inner corner. This full-face gift set also includes the Cheeky Stamp in Saucy, Mochi Glow in Toy Alien, and Cushy Vibe in Chiffon. I'm first applying the Orange Blossom shimmery golden tones with a brush to set the base of the sparkle, and then for a more high shine glitter, I'm using my fingers. I'm also going to apply the Moon Crystal Sparkling Eye Pigment in Luminary with my fingers to my inner corner and brow bone for a brighter shimmering eye look. This is included along with another best-selling Moon Crystal Sparkling Eye Pigment in Mystical in the Moonlit Full-Size Duo Holiday Set. These feel like weightless jelly eyeshadows, and they're actually formulated with real crystal powders, which makes them super sparkly. For falsies, I stacked a pair of detail lashes over brown strip lashes. Before I start with the base, I'm going to prep my lips with the Pat McGrath Lip Balm in Noir. For primer, I'm using the CosRX Aloe Soothing Sun Cream. Next, I'm going to apply foundation and concealer.
Still wasted. I was just waiting till I got a call back from you, no. But on the real, you need a choice. It's him and me, I know. By the end of the day, girl, I'll try.
I'm setting everything and then moving on to contour.
But to my defense, you were trying to contain, being too healthy to contain that much.
This Vocalour Sculpt Glow palette has been my favorite to contour lately. It's the perfect cool tone shade and it's super affordable.
And here's what I got. I know when you stare at your walls, you lost your touch and it broke you. You said that you wanted something.
Moving on to highlighter, I'm using the KAJA Mochi Glow in Toy Alien. This is a powder gel highlighter, so it feels like a cream but finishes like a powder.
911, is that help?
Going back to the eyes, I'm smoking out the lower lash line. I wanted to try a different technique I actually saw on Beyonce, so this creates the illusion of more lifted eyes. First, I'm drawing on a defined outline, and then I'm adding shimmer to the inner highlighted section.
But I'll break this promise. Girl, I'm worried about you. Know when you stare at your walls, you lost your touch and it broke you. You said that
I'm using two different mascaras on my lower lashes today, one to hold the curl and another darker one to add volume and drama.
maybe on the way we'll get help.
Moving on to lips, I'm gonna first line them with my NYX Slim Lip Pencil.
I took it up a notch and now you won't ever said I love you, I've been wrong. I'm too afraid.
Next, I'm applying the KAJA Cushy Vibe in Chiffon.
Love come and go like the wind. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna apply a little concealer to create a custom pale pink shade.
When you stare at your walls, you lost your.
To top it off, I'm applying my favorite Buxom lip cream in Dolly. I love the minty scent of this gloss and it has a plumping effect too. Finally, I'm applying the KAJA Cheeky Stamp in Saucy. I like to apply this after my base rather than before because this way the blush shows up better and lasts longer. To prevent the base from getting patchy, I first stamp it onto the back of my hand before applying it to the apples of my cheeks and the tip of my nose. And that completes this look. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to KAJA again for sponsoring this video. Remember to check out their holiday gift sets, which will be linked down below, and I will see you in my next video. Happy holidays!